Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is related about your English reader. Songs and sounds of ABC. Well, today we'll learn about capital letter D and lowercase d. Have a look. This is a capital letter D. D, D, D. This is a lowercase d. D, D, D. Now repeat with me. D says D. D says D. D says D. D, D, D. D, D, D. D says D. D, D, D. D says D. D, D, D. Bravo! Let's meet the friends of sound D. D says D. D, D, D. D, donkey. D says D. D, D, D. D, dog. D says D. D, D, D. D, daisy. D says D. D, D, D. D, dolphin. D says D. D, D, D. D, drum. D says D. D, D, D. D, doll. D says D. D, D, D. D, dress. D says D. D, D, D. D, duck. Take out your English reader and open page number 6 and start reading. D says D. D, D, D. D, donkey. D says D. D, D, D. D, dog. D says D. D, D, D. D, drum. D says D. D, D, D. D, daisy. Good job. Now do practice. Allah Hafiz.